Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths Made Easy with AB. In this video we will be looking into how to find range of a function. In the two earlier videos we have already seen how to find range, and this is the continuation video. So this is actually the third video where I will be taking an important numerical, a very important concept will be taught, how we use arithmetic mean and geometric mean, the application of AM greater than equal to GM to solve numerical pertaining to range. So you can see on the board the problem has been given: y is equal to fx, y is equal to fx is equal to 9 sec square x plus 16 cosec square x, and we have been asked to find the range of this function. Before we get into this numerical, let me tell you that I have already created a series of functions, and this is a continuation, possibly this is the 10th video that is happening. So I will request you to watch the entire series before getting into this video. So let's start solving this problem. Students, now before I get here, you have to understand AM and GM. So using this arithmetic mean, so we will, what is arithmetic mean, what is geometric mean? First let us understand this before start solving this problem, okay? So what is AM? Say for example, you have been given some numbers A1, A2, dot dot dot, A3, A4, A5 till AN. So these are the numbers that you have been given, and you have to find the arithmetic mean of these numbers. So you have been asked to find the arithmetic mean of this number. So arithmetic mean is nothing but you have to add all the numbers. So basically A1 plus A2 plus dot 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 plus AN till how many numbers are till AN you get, and how many numbers, total n numbers are there, right? So this is the first number, second number, so obviously this will be the nth number, so n numbers are there. So AM will be A1 plus A2 plus dot 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 till AN by n. So this is arithmetic mean. What is the geometric mean of this number? So geometric mean is basically the nth root of the number. So nth root of the number, so A1 into A2 into dot 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 AN. Or you can also write this as A1 into A2 into dot 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 AN to the power of 1 by n. So this is also a way of expressing the geometric mean of n numbers that has been given. There is another concept, that is harmonic mean, which is not required in this video. But since we are dealing with this, let me tell you the formula for harmonic mean. So n numbers are there. So this is 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 plus dot 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 plus 1 by AN. So this is how you find the harmonic mean of n numbers. So these are basically three things: how to find arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean of numbers. Also, if you see, there are two important formulas that I'll write over here. So the two important formulas, I'll write it in red. So, and we will use this actually. AM, arithmetic mean, is greater than equal to geometric mean. This is an important inequality which we will be using to solve problems. So now how we get arithmetic mean greater than equal to geometric mean, we will solve this and see this proof actually more numericals when we deal with arithmetic and geometric mean and harmonic mean. Another formula is this geometric mean square is equal to arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. Again, we won't use this over here, so just I am expressing it for your knowing. So this is it. So arithmetic mean greater than equal to geometric mean is what we will be using to solve problems in this video. So right, students, so say for example, let me write it again. Say for example, you have been given two numbers A and B. You have been given two numbers A and B. So what will be the arithmetic mean, students, of this number? So there are only two numbers, so you have to add it and divide it by 2 because there are two numbers, so by 2. What will be the geometric mean of this number? So two numbers, so it will be nth root, so second root, which is also called the square root. So basically root AB will be the geometric mean. And what will be the harmonic mean of this number, students? So 2 by 2 numbers, right? So n is 2, 1 by A plus 1 by B, or also you can write 2AB by A plus B. So basically this is the harmonic mean of the numbers A and B. Now you can derive that equation harmonic mean is equal to the formula that I get, geometric mean square. So if you square this number AB square, so you will get AB is equal to AM, multiply this into this, you will get that one, AB. You can see basically I gave one formula, right? Geometric mean square is equal to AM into GM, right? I gave this to you. So basically if you see geometric mean square, the geometric mean square will be only AB. is equal to multiply this with this. So AB will cancel this AB and 2 will cancel this, only AB will be left. So LHS will be equal to what? RHS. So this formula is there. So anyways, now it is not required. Okay students, so let's get into this numerical. So now what you have been given is to find the range of the problem y is equal to fx is equal to 9 sec square x plus 16 cosec square x. Students, let me tell you one important concept. Whenever you get such problems, your target will be to find the reciprocal. So these two you will see, you have to get the reciprocals of these. Okay, so what do I mean by reciprocals? You already know, students, that tan x is equal to 1 by cot x, or cot x is equal to 1 by tan x. So if you have tan x over here, you have to get cot x over here. Okay, so this is, so when you get this problem, I'm just telling you what is your target and why it is that your target. So I'll tell you while we solve the problem, right? You know what is cosec x is 1 by sin x, what, right? So sin x, cosec x, you know, tan x, cot x, you know, and then you have sec x, right? Cos x, sec x, correct? Cos, so if I don't, let's not write it in this way, else you will be confused. So let me write it in this way. You know what is cot x, you know what is sec x, and you know what is cosec x, right? So cot x is 1 by tan x, what is sec x is 1 by cos x, and this is 1 by sin x, right? So students, this problem can only be solved if you have this and this together. So here you have sec and cosec, sec and cosec. So will this problem be solved? No, you won't be able to solve this problem. So if you have cot x and tan x, cot x means cot square x, tan square x, then only you can be able to solve this problem. If you have sec square x and cos square x, then you will be able to solve this problem. If you have cosec square x and sin square x, then only you will be able to solve this problem, right? If you don't have, how you will go there is the technique that we will be doing at first. But this was the first thing that I told you, you need to check. If it is not, if it is already there, the problem becomes simpler. How? I'll tell you. If this form is not given, you have to convert it. Now how you will have to convert it is the next question. So basically 3 important formulas you already know, students, that is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. You know this or not, students? Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. The next formula is what? Sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. You also know this formula, cosec square x minus what, students? Cot square x is equal to 1. So you know this formula. So now students understand, sec square x is equal to what? 1 plus tan square x, right? And cosec square x is what? 1 plus cot square x. Now see this problem. I told you sec and cosec, these are not the reciprocals. Sec reciprocal is cos and cosec reciprocal is sin. So you won't be able to solve this problem. But if you convert, sec square x can be written as what? 1 plus tan square x, and cosec square x can be written as what? 1 plus cot square x. So you can express this as tan and cot, right? And tan and cot are reciprocals. So you will be able to solve this problem if you convert it using these 3 core formulas of trigonometry. Right, students? I hope this was clear to you. So let me now proceed solving this problem. So you have what? 9 sec square x plus 16 cosec square x. I told you, you can write this as what? Sec square is what, students? 1 plus tan square x plus 16 into 1 plus cot square x. I can convert it like this, right? So this will give you what? 9 plus 16, that is 25, plus 9 tan square x plus 16 cot square x. 9 tan square x plus 16 cot square x. I think till here it is very clear to you all, right? 9 tan square x plus 16 cot square x. So this function is now reduced to y is equal to 25 plus 9 tan square x plus 16 cot square x. Tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. So this problem now becomes simpler. How this problem becomes simpler? We have to use the newly learnt inequality AM is greater than equal to GM. AM is greater than equal to GM. How we will solve this? So basically our two numbers, leave 25 aside, forget about 25. Look at this. Say this number is A1 and this number is A2, right? This number is A1 and this number is A2, correct? Right? So now AM, what will be the arithmetic mean of this and this? So 9 tan square x plus 16 cot square x. So I am applying this over here by 2. This will be the arithmetic mean of these two numbers. 9 tan square x and 16 cot square x is greater than equal to the geometric mean. So geometric mean will be nothing but root over 9 tan square x into 16 cot square x, students. I think this is very clear to you all. 16 cot square x. Now you know that cot square x is 1 by tan square x. So basically cot square x into tan square x is equal to 1. So tan square x and cot square x will be cancelled out, right? Tan square x plus into cot square x will be cancelled out because cot square x is 1 by tan square x. So tan square x is cancelled. So this part goes away. Root over 9 into 16. So 3 into 4, right? So now what I get is 9 tan square x plus 16 cot square x is greater than equal to, so square root of 9 into 16. So this will give you square root of 9 will be 3 and this will be 4. So 12. So this is basically 144. Square root of 144 is 12. So 12 into 2, that is 24. I think till here it is very much clear to you all. So 9 tan square x plus 16 cot square x is greater than equal to 24 is where we derive to using AM is greater than equal to GM, right? I think this is clear. So I will erase this part where I have applied AM greater than equal to GM and get back to the problem. Now I will get back to the problem, students. So now you saw what? Now you have seen that this part 9 tan square x plus 16 cot square x is greater than equal to what? 24. So students, can I say that y is greater than equal to 25 plus 24, it will become greater than equal to what? 25 plus 24 is 49. So y is greater than equal to 49. So 49 will be the minimum achievable number because it is greater than equal to 24 is achievable. So 25 is a constant and whatever 24, 25, 26. So whatever the number will be more than 49. So that becomes the range, students. The range of the function is 49 comma infinity, 45 included. So that's the answer for this question that was asked over here. That's the answer for the question that was asked of 49 till infinity, and this is how we applied trigonometry. AM greater than equal to, not trigonometry, so basically series we applied, AM greater than equal to GM, and also some basic formulas, some basic principles of trigonometry and series combined, we solve this problem. I think students, you understood how to solve the problems of these this type whenever you get. I'll quickly show you some other numericals also for your better understanding. In my previous videos, there are many students who have asked for some of the numericals, so I will be going through those also for clear understanding. Say for example, you have been given y is equal to 9 cos square x plus 9 cos square x plus 16 sec square x. So you have been asked to solve this problem, students. Now, is cos and sec the reverse of each other? Is cos and sec the reverse of each other, students? Tell me, is it reverse of each other? So, right, yeah, so cos and sec are the reverse of each other. Cos square x is, so sec x, sec x. Sec x is what? 1 by cos x, true or not? Sec x is 1 by cos x or not, students? Right? Yeah, so this is true. So basically, you need not transform it using the basic trigonometric formulas in this case, and you can directly apply the formula AM greater than equal to GM. AM greater than equal to GM can be directly applied in this case, since you have already got the question in the desired format. I think this is very clear to you all till here. So now AM, so these are the two numbers. So this is A1 and this is A2, right? So what is the arithmetic mean, students? 9 cos square x plus 16 sec square x by 2. Greater than equal to, geometric mean is nothing but the square root of these numbers. So 9 cos square x into 16 sec square x. So cos square x into sec square x is 1. It gets cancelled out because sec square x is 1 by cos square x, right? Or vice versa. So this part gets cancelled out. So 9 cos square x plus 16 sec square x is greater than equal to what? 3 into 4, 12. Again same 144, so 12. Greater than equal to what? 24, students. Is greater than equal to 24. So this question directly y is, so this question if you see, y is greater than equal to 24. So the range of the function is 24 comma infinity. So the range of the function will be 24 comma infinity, right? I think this one is clear to you all, very much crystal clear. So cos and sec was given. So basically tan and if cot is given, no need to change. If cosec and sine is given, no need to change. Directly first step will be apply am greater than equal to gm. If sec and cos is given, like it was given in this case, no need to apply the transformation, the three transformations, sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So need not apply the formula, directly am greater than equal to gm and you get a solution to that. So if this pair exists, like the third existed in this case, there is no need of transformation. Directly your first step will be am greater than equal to gm, and this is how you solve the formula, solve the question, right? So one question I am giving you for homework, or maybe you can comment the answer in the comment section while you solve this question. So you have the same question is fx is equal to 16 sec square x plus 9 cosec square x. So this is the question. You will have to find the range of this function. So solve it and do comment do write your answer in the comment section. Yeah. So let's quickly get into another question of range wherein you have to apply am greater than equal to gm. So say for example the question is find the range of the function y is equal to fx is equal to 5 to the power of sin x plus 1 plus 5 to the power of minus sin x plus 1. So this is the question. At first many will be like, oh my god, how to solve, how to express it at x is equal to something. So this kind of question whenever you get, try and understand the first thing. If you can express it as x is equal to something in terms of y, well and good enough. If you cannot express, I have already taught you monotonicity. Increasing decreasing function. If you have not seen, I'll just link the video. You can go back and see that monotonicity. Else, and the third part today that we learned how to solve is am greater than equal to gm. Using that also you can find range. So you have to just try out, something will fit in and you will get the answer. So this is how you solve questions, how you solve mathematics. So now here what you can do is y is equal to, can I take 5 common? If I take 5 common, will I get 5 sin x plus 5 to the power of minus sin x, or can I write it as 5 to the power of sin x? 5 I have taken in. So basically this plus 1 power that was given, that has come outside. Right, students? So keep 5 as it is, and for this number and this number, so this is a1, this is a2, apply for this number, apply am is greater than equal to gm. Apply am greater than equal to gm. So basically this plus this by 2, it will be what? 5 sin x, 5 to the power of sin x plus 1 by 5 to the power of sin x by 2. This will be the arithmetic mean. This will be the arithmetic greater than equal to geometric mean will be what? Square root of this into this. So 5 to the power of sin x into 1 by 5 to the power of sin x. So this part will be cancelled out. So 1, square root of 1. So 5 to the power of sin x plus 1 by 5 to the power of sin x will be greater than equal to 2. So I am simply moving it there itself. So this part gets cancelled out, and students, I am just solving it here only, will be greater than equal to 2. Will be greater than equal to 2, right? So by simply, see, I have reduced the problem. So I am removing this also now. So you got what? This part is greater than equal to 2. So y is 5 into something greater than equal to 2. So y will be greater than equal to 10, students. So y will be greater than equal to 10. So the range of the function, that is value of y, will be 10 included till infinity. So that's the answer you are getting for this question. I think till here we have used the application of am greater than equal to gm to solve range numericals and find the range of problems. Students, if you have any questions, you can get to the comment section and ask me. I'll try and make similar videos on range in some other lecture I'll put in. So if you are liking my videos, students, do subscribe to my channel, do share it in your circle, do share it with your friends. Yeah, and till then, goodbye, take care.